Going outside. Oh! What is this? What are you doing? You're showing up all your sexiness? No! Don't show them. Don't show them. The struggle is real, but it is what it is. You just gotta do what you gotta do, right?
Hi guys, good morning everybody. So I wake up as usually morning, getting ready to go to work. So I just wanted to leave you this message. Hope everybody gonna have a wonderful day. So I'm here getting ready to go to work, so about to leave now. That's something that I used to do the morning before to leave, is to prepare Tyler bottles, so when babe wake up she don't have to do it. So that's the last thing I do before I leave. So I wish everybody a good day, and I'll catch you guys at the end of the day, okay?
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. Whew, let me catch my breath. I look kind of crazy, but that's okay. I just finished working out. Workout is done. Mission is accomplished for today. I feel absolutely amazing. I feel awesome. I feel accomplished. I feel motivated. So you know that I'm about to have a super good day. Whew, let me catch my breath for a minute. I have so much to do today. I have to take care of my hair today. I have to wash my hair in a bit. So I'm gonna do that. I'm going to first go and make some breakfast. Tyler is actually watching TV and being a good sport as always for mama. Baby's off to work. I think he talked to you guys this morning, which was super cute. He told me that, hey babe, I'm gonna vlog a bit before I go to work this morning. So I was super proud of him for doing that. So yeah, just finished working out. Workout is done, so that's off the list for today. It's time to continue on with my day. Jump in the shower real quick and then make some breakfast. Look after Tyler and just get the day flowing. So make sure you guys get your workout in. Get the day off to a good start. Have a wonderful day. Be good, and if you can't be good, be careful. Catch you guys in a bit.
Mama.
Yes, my love.
Mama.
Yes, honey.
Mama.
Say good morning. Say hello.
Mama.
Say hello. Come here. Come on. Up. Blow them kisses. Kisses. He just wanna go already. No, get down. Get down. Good boy. Fish mode. He's running away from you guys. You guys, feeling fresh. Workout is done, and it's time for me to make some breakfast. It's a beautiful day outside. Let me show you how beautiful it's looking right now outside. It's bright and sunny this morning. Overlooking the city is really, really beautiful this morning. So it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day, right, Tyler? It's gonna be a good day. Yeah? In a page? Santa Claus? By the time I'm finished breakfast, it will be time to give Tyler a bath, feed him lunch, put him down for a nap so I can get my hair washed. So my days on a roll as usual. I just schedule out my things to get my day done really quick. You know, you guys, it's a struggle when you have natural hair. I don't know about people that wears extension very often and work out, but when you have natural hair like mine and you work out every day like me and you sweat like crazy, it's a struggle to maintain your hair my hair sweat a lot, so I have to wash my hair every single week. It don't make sense I wash my hair during the week because I work out every day in the week, so I have to wash my hair at the end of the week. So since that is Friday, I'm going to wash my hair because you know my weekends are normally rest days. So apart from Sunday when I lift, but yeah, the struggle is real, but it is what it is. You just gotta do what you gotta do. Right now it's scratching me like crazy, scratching me, and it's so annoying. But enough of my ranting and my struggles. I'm going to make some breakfast real quick, so let's go. Okay, you guys, that's breakfast. Looks a lot this morning, huh? But this is what I feel for, so it's about to go down. It's going up.
Baba.
Ellie's done for a nap, which means it's now time for me to go get my hair washed real quick. Hair is all done and looking fresh and ready to dry right now, but let's see if I'm lucky enough to make some lunch real quick before Tyler wake up. So for lunch today, I'm going to make myself some shrimp. Just saute some shrimp and throw it on some lettuce, and that's it for lunch today. I'm not even going to be too fancy because I want to finish cooking before he wakes up, because when he wakes up he's usually a bit cranky. So I'm just going to jump into lunch real quick. As I'm sitting here catching up on some vlogs, actually, you know, there's so many other awesome family vloggers that I really enjoy watching, apart from the extremely huge family vloggers that I really love enjoy watching. There are other family vloggers like myself that I really enjoy watching. So what I'm gonna do every now and then is that I'm going to just shout out some of the awesome family vloggers that I really enjoy watching, so you guys can go ahead and check out their channel and show them some love. So today, one that I'm actually here catching up on by the name of Tool Fam Vlogs. I'll link their channel down below in the description. They're a really awesome family and I really enjoy watching them. Our family, she have her husband and her kids, and they're just amazing, beautiful family. So go over to Tool Fam TV and show them some love. Subscribe to their channel and tell them Mel sent you. By no means they know that I'm giving them a shout out. I'm just doing this randomly because I think that all of us really support each other and show each other love. So yeah, go over to Tool Fam TV, tell her that Melissa sent you. Yes, thank you. Yes, baby. Yeah. Yes. You're playing? Look at him. You're playing? So like I said, you guys, go over to Tool Farm TV and show them some love and tell them that Melissa sent you. Show them all the love that you guys have shown me. Yeah, so I'm just gonna give other YouTubers shout outs every now and then. So this is actually my very first shout out. So there you go. Properly because the sun is turned up, you guys. Man, Tyler, he's just standing there looking out. You looking out? Look at him. Look where he's coming to sit. Right in the middle. You gonna sit right in the middle? Where are you going? Where are you going? You know, some people when they have natural hair, when they have natural hair like I do, normally you just living in Jamaica would just go outside and sit in the sun and your hair would be dry in no time. So I'm sitting outside right now, even though my upper body is not in the sun, but the sun is just right here. Oh, on that note, I'm gonna give you the Jamaican expression today. What should I give you for the Jamaican expression today? Okay, I'm gonna give you an expression. So the Jamaican expression for today is we have the thing lock. Okay, so not have but have. We have the thing lock. If you hear somebody says that expression, they're simply telling you that they have the situation under control. They're impressed by whatever situation they're in. They're in control. So if somebody say them have the thing locked, they simply mean that they're in control of their situation. Yeah, so that's the Jamaican expression for today. You get it? Make sure you get it. So when babe come home, of course he's gonna put his spin on it, and Tyler is just here with all his cuteness, enjoying outside. Oh, what is this? What are you doing? You're showing up all his sexiness? No, don't show them. Don't show them. Don't show them. Don't show them that. You're showing them everything. Huh? You're showing them everything. Babu. Babu. Bird. Bird. Good job. Come on, pick them up. Pick up all the others. Good boy. Picks up papers, line on the ground, it makes the place untidy, pick them up. Yeah? Come on, let's finish up. Good job. Come on, let's go. Good job. Fast, come on. Let's go. Good boy. Come on, there's more. Good job. There's more. Take them out. Put them in. Come on, let's go. Good boy.
Had a long day today. You saw me this morning. To start the vlog, you see me to finish the vlog. Wake up at 6, leave home about 7:30, come back home about 8:30 p.m. Oh Lord, what a day! So
What a life.
what a life! What a day! Well, I feel okay, and tomorrow is the weekend, so
That's awesome.
yeah, gonna enjoy the
Guess
weekend.
what? The Jamaican expression for today is
Zim zim.
no. We have the thing lock.
We have the thing lock.
No. We
Have
the
the
thing
thing
lock.
lock.
Say it.
We have the thing lock. We have the thing lock.
Not thing. Thing.
Thing.
Say it.
We have the thing lock.
Yes.
What I mean?
Mean you're in control of a situation. If you say, if for example, if you say to me, babe, your cooking is so good, I'm gonna say, don't worry, babe, me have the thing lock. You get it?
No.
Mean I'm in control of a situation. For example,
I believe
wait.
no, because you say I understand. I believe translated as out of control.
No,
You
you're,
say
you're in control.
Okay, so now I
For
understand.
example, if you're on the road and you're driving crazy, and I
me have
said,
the
babe,
thing
what are you doing? What you're gonna say?
Me have the thing lock.
Yes, you're
Right.
in control of the situation.
Yeah, man.
Alright, you guys, enough laughter. We're just gonna go ahead and tell you guys good night. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, catch up and keep up with us. Give this video a like for effort, and comment down below and chit chat with us. Say hello, say hi. Okay, we love chatting up with you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys when?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Bye guys.